Really cool psychedelic dress. Love the bust line. Very feminine. Wow, it's so psychedelic. And it's 53 in length and it has this little ruffle at the bottom. Oh, so cute. Very feminine. Love it. The colors are so cool and odd. So it's got like this chiffon-y fabric sewn over the lining that's sewn in. Love those colors. Very couture. Waist measures up here at the Empire 14.5 across, and the bust measures 17.5 across. Those little bullets and everything and all the details. Love it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lots of shades of mod colors, greens and oranges, and it's just beautiful. Beautiful 50s gown, floral.